Hello children, I welcome you all once again in today's English class. Children, I hope you all have completed the work which I had given you in my previous video. You must have learned the poem and completed the activity. Now children, today I have a wonderful surprise for you. You want to know what? Yes? For that, you need to close your eyes and count till 3. But promise that you will close your eyes. Okay? Say 1, 2, and 3. Oh wow! What is there on my head? What is it? Yes, it's a birthday cap. You all like birthday cap? Yes? But children, you must be thinking, why ma'am is wearing this cap today? Yes, you are thinking? Children, today is my friend's birthday. But due to this lockdown period, as she lives in another city, I cannot go. Okay? I cannot go to her place and celebrate birthday. So what I had done? I am wearing this cap, celebrating my birthday, celebrating her birthday here, and I will cut the cake also here. And will do the video call to her. So children, if you want, you can also make this cap at home and celebrate anyone's birthday. Okay? Now, children, let me take you to a very unique birthday party. Okay? Let us go to a birthday party of a little girl and see how in a very unique way she has celebrated her birthday. Come on, let's go. So students, now we will see this story, how this little girl celebrates her birthday. Before starting that, let me tell you one thing. What do you think when you think of the word birthday? What all things come into your mind? Yes, we can think of candles. Yes? So you have to tell me like this, what all words come into your mind when you think of the word birthday? I think candles, balloons, party, gifts, cake, cap. So these are some of the words which come into our mind when we think of the word birthday. So children, you also must have many words must have come into your mind, right? So you can write those words and learn their spellings. Okay? Now, to begin with our story, our chapter number first is Geeta's Biscuit. So, we will listen to the very beautiful story of the little girl who celebrated her birthday in a very unique way. So, let's see how she celebrates. You will read after me and keep on underlining the difficult words and also learn their spellings. You can write those difficult words in your copy and learn their spellings. So let's start. Now, what are the main characters of the story? There are two main characters in this story. Number 1 is Geeta, okay, and number 2 is the little girl. These are the two main characters in this story. Now let's see and understand about these two little characters. Okay? So let's begin with the story. Geeta's biscuits. Geeta is poor. Underline poor. She is hungry. Underline hungry. Now we all know that Geeta is a poor girl. If you can see in the picture, she is very sad. Okay? And she is very hungry also. But she don't have food to eat. A car is stopping and people are getting out. Children, now we can see there is a car which had stopped, and some people are coming out from the car. Look, there's the restaurant. How do we pronunciate, children? Restaurant. So children, they all were going to the restaurant. What is the restaurant, children? The place where we go and eat our food. Right? Now, a little girl looks at Geeta. What do we see? We can see there is a little girl coming out from the car. Right? She is looking at Geeta. They all go into the restaurant. So, everybody was going to the restaurant. Why they were going to the restaurant? Because there was a birthday party of a little girl. Okay? So, they all were going to the restaurant. Underline the word restaurant. Okay? Now, Geeta is looking through the window of the restaurant. We all know, children, Geeta is very poor, right? She don't have so much money that she can go inside and have food. So what she was doing? She was looking through the window of the restaurant. What she was looking? She was looking at the party inside which was going to happen. So what is she saying? Ooh, ice cream. So which words you have to underline here? Window, restaurant and ice cream. So she was very fond of ice cream, but she was not able to eat. She was just looking through the window. Okay, children? Let's move forward. The people are having fun. They are eating ice cream and biscuits. So what are the people eating? Ice creams and biscuits. So we have to learn what were the people eating in the party. They were eating ice creams and biscuits. And all those things Geeta is watching through the window. Now, the little girl is cutting a cake. What are others singing? So you can underline the word singing. Now, underline the word cake. So now we can see here the little girl's birthday is being celebrated. And everybody is singing happy birthday to you. We all sing in this song. Yes,
Whenever we go to somebody's birthday party, we celebrate someone's birthday, we sing this song for her, right? So the little girl is cutting the cake and others are singing the birthday song for her. And these all things Geeta is watching through the window. Now, Geeta went out and Geeta is sitting on the wall. Geeta is, we can say here, Geeta is sitting on the wall close to the car. We can see here Geeta is sitting on the wall, underline the word wall, and close to the car. Now you can see she is very sad because she also wants to celebrate the birthday like that, but she is very poor, she can't celebrate it, right? So what is she doing? She is sitting on the wall close to that car from which the little girl came. The party is over. Underline the word party. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. So children, we need to underline the word party, carrying party bags and party hats. Wearing means they were wearing the caps on their head. Okay, you can see the children are wearing the caps like I was wearing in the beginning. Yes. So now the birthday party of the little girl is over. Okay, now so everyone is coming out from the birthday party. They are wearing the party bags and they all were having one packets. They were carrying the party bags. Okay, now let's see. Oh, what happened next? Let us see that. The little girl goes to Geeta. The small little girl goes to Geeta. The little girl goes to Geeta. She gives her a bag and a box. Now we can see this little girl is very kind. If you remember, in the beginning only, the little girl saw Geeta. She remembered that this girl is poor. Okay, the little girl was very kind. She gave her a bag and a box. Okay, now let's see next. Geeta opens the bag. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. What is in it? Now we can see the Geeta opens the bag. There was cake in it. She eat that cake. Okay, as she was very hungry, if you remember. So Geeta opens the bag. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. What is in it? So we don't know what is there in the box. She just opened the bag and eat some cake. Now let's see what was there in the box. She puts the box in her basket. Okay, underline the word basket. She puts the box in her basket. She puts the basket on her head. She goes down the road. Now, what does the Geeta do? Underline the word basket. This little girl Geeta, what she do? She put the box, if you can see in the picture, on her head, right? And she is going down the road. Why she was going down the road? Let's see. The next morning, Geeta is outside a school. Geeta is outside a school. You can see she's sitting over there with her box. What is she doing? Now, what is she doing? Who is buying something from her? Okay, we can see her, a small little school girl is buying something from Geeta. Okay, now what is the Geeta doing ultimately, children? She was selling that box. Okay, and there were biscuits in that box, and she was selling that box to the little school girl. Okay, 10 years later. What do we see 10 years later, children? So, children, what do we see? See, children, Geeta was also very small like you. Okay, but she, if she wants, she must have eaten those biscuits. She must have ate those biscuits, and she must have enjoyed. But she did not choose to enjoy. She chose that if she can sell those biscuits, she can get some money. And then again she buy biscuit from that money. And then again she sell. Then again she buys some more biscuits. Then again she get profit, and then she again buys the biscuit. What she do then? What is she doing? She has set up the business of the biscuits, if you can see. Now she is having a shop of biscuits. After 10 years, she kept on doing that, selling the biscuits, earning money, then putting some little money for her, and then again buying the biscuits, and then again selling. So after 10 years, now she is having her own bakery shop. What is she? What we can see now? Geeta is not poor. Now she is rich. So children, what do we see from here? There are two things which we learn from this story. Number one, we should help the poor people. We always celebrate the lavish birthday parties. We eat cake. We go to different places in our birthday party. We go to restaurants. Yeah, right? We go to, we eat so many things. But do we help someone on our birthday? Now today onwards, children, you take one pledge. Whenever your birthday is there, you will help one needy person. Okay, we should help the poor people instead of spending so much money on our birthday. We can do our celebrations, but we can also help some poor person, poor girl, boy who is in need. Okay, so we will help them, and this is the first thing we understood. Second thing from Geeta, what do we understood? That we should do the hard work. If Geeta wants, she must have eaten that cake. But no, she must have ate that cake. But she decided to sell that biscuits. Right? She decided to sell that biscuit and make the good use of biscuits. Geeta cleverly makes use of this opportunity to get rid of her poverty. Okay? So we should also learn that we should make a best use of our time. Okay, right now you have a time, you can learn. Okay, you should not leave your things, I will learn tomorrow. Okay, don't do like that. Make the best use of the opportunity. Right now you all have time, start learning, start reading. Okay, so children, I hope you all like the story. Yes? So children, you will read the story today, learn the difficult spellings and write it in your copy. And send the photos to me. I will be very happy to see your response. In my next video, I will come up with some more interesting topics. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.